Please be advised that this video contains flashing lights, so view with caution. I'm Simply Mary, and today I'm showing you this solar light flashlight that was given to me absolutely free in exchange for my honest opinion and review. So let's take a look at this solar-powered flashlight. Now, this is rechargeable by solar power, and it is also rechargeable via USB. It has this magnet on the top of it, but you can't stick the flashlight on anything and expect it to stay there. The weight of the flashlight is too much for that magnet to handle, but the magnet still works and does pick up metal objects. You have this little seatbelt cutter on the side, a window punch or an icebreaker on the other side, and then you have a handy little compass on the bottom of the unit. And right under that, you have your USB power input and power output. So this is also a little mini power bank. Now you do have a wrist strap attached to your compass, and that's because when you use a compass, you always use it in your hand, away from your phone, away from the magnet on the flashlight as well, because your compass will not operate properly if it is near any object that has a magnet inside of it. Now let's talk about this being water resistant. This is an emergency flashlight, so if something should happen that you do become submerged in water, know that you can shake the water out and you can let it dry, and this will operate if that happens. And I did test this, and I want to show you what happens. If the top end gets in the water, it doesn't have any air bubbles, there's nothing really getting into it. But if I flip it over, even with that cap tight on the bottom, it is not waterproof, it's water resistant. So you'll see a red light come on when this is exposed to water, and that means you need to shake it out and get it somewhere to dry and leave it dry completely, and then it will work again. So yes, this unit is water resistant. Please keep in mind that this unit is an emergency flashlight. This is not meant for everyday household use. So if you do continuously charge this, you will run the power bank dry and it will not recharge. Remember, this only has a limited number of charges on it. It is meant for emergency use. And finally, let's take a look at how this operates. So if you push the button, your first option is going to be using the regular flashlight. If you long press the button, you will turn on the center, and if you long press it again, you will get your red emergency flashing light. Each time in between the long press, you will have one press to control these lights to be on high, low, or flash. So to give you an idea, this is very bright. This is on high, low, and flash. So this can signal for emergencies or your partner to find each other if you're in the dark. So that's a great option. I think that you can see really well with this light. I was impressed with the ability to dry it out and have it still work after it was submerged in water. So that gives me peace of mind that I will have a working flashlight with me in my gear. And one way you can make sure this flashlight is always working for you is to keep it stored somewhere dark or in the box that it came in, so that the sunlight is not wasting your charging capabilities on that power bank, because you only have a limited number of charges. But this flashlight I think is awesome. So I want to thank XREXS for letting me check this product out.